Welcome to SentryOne. In this video, we will be walking through the installation of DBA xPress. Once you have set up the correct permissions, and you have all the necessary prerequisites in place, you can begin the installation by double-clicking on the installation file. On the first screen, you will be given a choice where you would like the installation file stored. You will also be able to send feature usage to us. We will not be collecting your user data, only information about how you use the solution, so that we can concentrate our development efforts on the features that are being utilized the most. After you check the box stating that you agree to the license terms, you can click the Next button. You will then be taken to a screen that will allow you to choose a typical or custom installation. Please note, if you choose the custom installation, you will be taken to a screen that allows you to choose the shortcuts for the pragmatic workbench. You will then be taken to an additional screen that allows you to choose the components that you would like to install. Once you have made your choices, you can click the Install button. Finally, once the installation has completed, you will be taken to a screen where you can see what's new, run Workbench, or simply click Finish to complete the installation process. After launching the Pragmatic Workbench, you will see the tiles on the right that represent the functionality for your use within DBA xPress. If you have any questions about this information, or you would like further assistance, please navigate to our support website at support.sentryon.com. Thanks for watching.